Yes, hello. This... En já, það var að pæla sko, kannski væri það bara fullkomið ef fyrst hún með sér dyrabjöllu sko, að bara gera svona smá dyraat sko og ná viðbrögðum hennar sko.
Þriggja krakkar
Take it. Let's prank some ass.
Girl, it's something about your act, I show you like don't stop. Maybe it's the way that you carry yourself. Or maybe it's the way that you wear your hair. You move with a feeling and you sure know how. Girl, I'm out to get your love and I'm too hot to stop now. Cause I believe God each his own out of baby room.
Við erum að gera eitthvað greiða.